Come on, bud. Come on. Leave your Scott here. You should put these two on a leash in the beginning. Whew, it's cold today. It's 25 degrees. And there's the lake. Me and Bree, she always goes swimming in the summertime, in the spring there. It's absolutely beautiful. Lighting's probably really bad with this camera, but... Come on, buddy. Come on. Let's see what trail we want to go on today. Charge it up so I have full battery. Come on, bud. Come on, you. Let me put my glove back on. My hand is freezing. Hold on. Hold on. I have my glove on. My hand is cold. Whew. Alright, guys. Alright, let's go. Come on. Come on. Morris Lake. A little moth leash up here. Let me get to this trail up here. Come on, guys. Let's go to the bathroom. Oh, look, come on. Come on, Bree. Let's go. Come on, buddy. Come on. I usually go on this trail. Oh, my hand is frozen right now. I didn't put any of Bree's stuff on today. Come on. Oh, hold on. Let me get this up here. I know, you guys excited to go run around? Yeah. Ooh, feels like it's colder than the other day. Oh my god. I'm freezing. Oh, it was like 18 degrees the other morning. And it's 24, but it just feels colder. Oh, my hands. Looking not too far. Good girl. Good girl. What are you doing? What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Let's go. Let's go. You got a nice haircut? Yeah, let's go. Come on. Come on, you. Come on, Bree. Come on, Lily. Come on, girls. Come on, girl. I didn't put any of Bree's coats or boots on today. I don't think she liked it last time too much. As long as she stays active, she'll warm up. And she just gotta keep on moving around. Don't you, girl? Come on, Lil. Come on, guys. Oh, whoops, did I just... It is zooming in. That's why it looked like it was so close. Oopsies. Hard to hold this thing because my hand is freezing. I have a glove on, but... I'm trying to do smaller videos today because I don't want my hands up. Come on, bud. Let's go, go, go. Come on, Lil. Come on, girl. Oh, you going pee-pee? Good girl. Good girl. Let's go, girl. Let's go. Let's go, go, go. Come on, Lo. Come on, girlie. What's up, Luca? What you doing? We got Luca right there. With there's Luca, standard poodle. You got Bree over here, the brindle pit, and you got Lily, the lab hound. Oh, my hands hurt. Whew. I was stressed to get her. Go get her, Luca. Go get her. Go get her. Go get her, buddy. Go get her. Come on, buddy. Let's go, go, go. Come on, Lily. Come on, girl. Follow. Let's go, girls. Come on. Let's go. It was ice again today. Hasn't really warmed up much. It's been the 20s and 30s in Connecticut. So, ooh, careful, bud. This. You'll meet your maker if you try to run on that big slab of ice. So I just go around it. Ooh. Alright, come on. Let's go. Yeah, I'll turn it off at 10 minutes so I can warm my hands. I'll do 10-minute videos. Come on, Lily. Come on, girl. All right, 10 minutes.